Assalamualaikum everyone, wishing you a very happy Eid Mubarak. Today we are going to make labe Shireen. Okay, so I am going to tell you the ingredients. First we have to require 1 liter of milk, fine, and then jelly. You can take any color. I have taken red and green. Okay, and then colorful vermicelli, fine, and then 5 tablespoons of sugar and cocktail, and this is custard, fine. 5 tablespoons of custard and half cup of water, fine. And for the garnishing I have taken crushed almonds. Okay, now the milk has boiled. See, now I am going to add this custard. Slowly, gradually we have to add, and we have to move the spoons. Fine. We have to move. Okay, now I am going to add this colorful vermicelli. Now I am going to add 5 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, move it slowly. Fine. Okay, now we will keep this in the fridge. Now I am going to serve it. First I am going to add this red jelly, fine. Okay, now I am going to add this. Fine. Now I am going to add this cocktail. It's looking very colorful, right? And here we have to add cocktail, and this as well. Okay, now I am going to add this green jelly. Fine. Last one. Okay, now I have to garnish it. Okay, Jazakallah khair. You may enjoy this Eid with this yummiest dessert.